Good morning. I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational author. I have written 8 fictions and non-fictions. I am an international table tennis player. I am a life coach and motivational speaker. I have posted Shero Shairi, Urdu and English language videos and also motivational videos. I hope you like. Is fear bad? Not always. Fear has its origin in primitive days. It is a flight or fight response in face of danger. It helps us save our lives. We do not go near fire because we know that we will be burnt. We do not go near snake because we know that we will be bitten and our life will be in danger. So fear is for our safety. The problem arises when the fear is out of proportion and then we are not able to take the risk which we should take for progress in our lives. And fear is generally future based because we do not know what will happen in future. We can, however, plan in a better manner to avoid the problems of future, and reaction is also in our hands. So if we handle fear patiently, it is for our benefits. There are various types of fears. Fear of illness or loss of health, fear of death or loss of life, fear of public speaking or stage fright, fear of drowning, fear of open spaces, agoraphobia, fear of closed spaces, claustrophobia, fear of heights, acrophobia, and fear of death, fear of dead bodies, necrophobia. So these are various types of fears. Then there is fear of rejection, fear of poverty. Different type of fears are there. How we fight or handle the fear is important. We should stand and face the fear. We should not run away. Be present in the moment. Help of friend is important. Take help of friends and family members. Accept the situation. Try to improve it with patience. Have trust. Be optimistic in approach. If you face fear in this manner, you will be able to handle it properly. So fear creates a problem when it is out of proportion. You should handle it properly and patiently, and you will be able to handle it properly. Thanks for watching this video and my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Also please click thumbs up and bell button so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something or discuss, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.